Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fine. Today's our topic is kind of line. First, vertical line, the direction of which line is north to south. Then, second is horizontal line, the direction of which line we draw east to west. Third is oblique line, which we draw little bit slide it may be this side or this maybe this side. Curve line is, you already know the what is curve, which is a slightly bend on the downside or upper side. The third thing, other line are parallel lines. The two lines here should be compare. For the comparison, there will be always two lines which never meet each other, suppose you see the railway track you see the railway track which never meet each other, then we the definition of the parallel line, it is very important, you should be learned. The definition of parallel line is the two lines which never meet each other. You see the which never meet, it goes always in same direction and never meet. Suppose you think this go this side and bend here, this is not parallel line which never meet each other. You see the example of this railway track which never crossed each other. It is always in each direction and similar distance from between it is always same. The distance between these two lines will be always same, and the other lines are intersecting line. The two or more lines, here will be always two or can be more lines which intersect, which cut each other, or you can say which meet in a point, that is called intersecting line. As here is parallel line and this is suppose two line and it meet in a fixed point, it is called this point is called intersecting point. And when two lines meet each other, this is called intersecting line. The lines here will be maybe more than two, suppose this and this point is called intersecting point. Then we should revise parallel line which never meet each other and the distance between it will be always same, and the intersecting line which meet in a point. Thank you, dear student.